morning. Hello everybody. This is my Monday morning update and welcome if you're new. Thank you to all my new followers and subscribers. So over the next few weeks, my theme for my classes is what do you need? Where do you feel you've got pain, restriction, tension? And I'm formulating a class around that. So this week, this class is for Jill. And Jill has noticed that her right buttock is always gripping. Have you noticed that when you stand, that your buttocks, or even when you lie down, that your buttocks are really, really tight? And also she has a restricted range of movement in her right leg. And she also notices that her right hip is hitched up, as if you're going to balance a washing basket or a kid on your hip. Her right hip is hitched up. And so we're going to be looking at movements to rebalance the muscles in the back and the waist, because what's happening in the back and the waist also really impacts the range of movement in your leg and also what's happening in your right buttock. And I'm just going to demonstrate a little bit of what I mean by that. So I know my foot's out of range here, but if I just rotate my right leg in and out, and now I'm going to shorten my right waist, and that completely affects my range of movement. Now I'm going to add in tension into my lower back, and that, can you see how that's changed my range of movement completely? And I'm not trying to force my range of movement and push through this. So this is really what's happening for me. So I'm going to let my back go. My range of movement has improved. I'm going to let my waist go and my range of movement has improved. And with somatics, we move in a particular way. So we go back to this movement. We actually recreate the patterns that we're stuck in. So as I hitch my hip up, my waist tightens, we feel that tension, and then slowly we lengthen out and we pause to relax. And even as I pause there, my right leg releases out a little bit more. So that's the theme for this week. I really hope that you can join me in class. If you're new to Somatics, don't forget there's my beginner series that you can do in your own time. And if you've got any questions, DM me and I'll get back to you as soon as I'm able. Thanks again. I hope to see you soon.